Good morning. We have made it to Korong Korong Beach, which is where we are taking off for our boat tour today. And now, normally in El Nido, there's tours A through D, and they're big public tours fitting up to 20 people on some of these long boats. And we're doing the classic tour A. We'll explain more about the tours once we get on the boat.
This is Mark, our tour guide today, and he's going to sail us all over the El Nido's beautiful water. Let's go right now because we're already behind the schedule.
Let's get on the boat. Bye, Go. She's got to go by herself.
Bye. Oh, Steve is coming.
Hi there. Hello. Morning, sir. Morning. Thank you.
Look at our boat, Steve.
Awesome.
This is our captain, Ray.
Hey, Ray.
Okay, so we put our life jackets on and ready to sail. We're so excited to be here. The only problem with this boat is there is no toilet, and I guess we have to use the water. Mark, do Titanic. Woo!
So now, welcome to our first destination. So this is the one of the most beautiful place here in El Nido, the beautiful Big Lagoon. So now we are here, the outside part of the lagoon. So from here going to the lagoon is about 100 meters. So that's why our activities here is kayaking.
I'm sorry, you're much better at this.
So this is the entrance to Big Lagoon.
Doing my best here.
Kayaking because I'm not doing anything. I'm the princess today and Steve has been juggling all along. No complaints. Do you have any complaints?
Tired.
Tired. That's his complaint. Oh God, no. No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's okay. That's part of kayaking here.
Now we're gonna see the secret cave in the Big Lagoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we're getting there.
Here, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Here.
This will be a true test of my kayaking skills. It's right here. It's very narrow up ahead.
Oh my God. Wow, look at this. How beautiful is this? Oh.
Yeah. This one's tough.
This one is tough.
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
Oh God. Oh God. Too close, too close, too
aware.
close. Wait, not you, babe.
I'm aware. Trying to get us out.
You good? Are you okay?
Yep, just trying to get us out. Alright, I think I made it. Watch your head. Okay.
He made it.
Not gracefully, but I did it.
I think you did a really good job today.
Thanks.
I
A
really
little bit
did.
tired.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Am I the worst kayaker you've ever seen?
No, sir. It's okay. I'm doing this every day.
You get bored?
No.
You
I'm
have,
happy because every day I meet new people from different countries.
you have the best job.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm very rich because every day I'm here in the tour.
And your country is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Especially here in El Nido.
Yes, especially El Nido.
So we have a massive corals here with a sea urchin. As you can see this here in the water, that's a massive corals.
How many seasons do you have?
Only two here in Philippines.
What are they?
The summer season.
Summer and more
And
Oh, I know these people.
where you from?
You have jokes, Mark. It's very wavy. Oh my God. Hold it, hold it. Okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. Woo. I can't believe you start cooking already.
Yes, but our food under our chef cook is Monsor.
Chef.
Yeah, our chef
Yes.
cook. Tuna fish.
Oh, this is tuna fish.
Yes. And then we also have here, we prepare also the shrimp, then the mussel shell, and also the pork limbo.
Okay.
Here, the secret lagoon. Yes, we will find the lagoon, or we will find the secret.
There you go.
Just push her like that. See you on the
All right, bye. See you on the beach. Oh my god.
Is this just real life? Or is it fantasy? Caught in a landslide.
Oh my god.
Escape from reality.
It rhymes. Maybe we should make a song out of it.
Yeah, it seems very catchy. Might be popular. So one of the first things we've kind of noticed so far about the area of El Nido, it's very similar to Thailand, but the limestone cliffs here are much more tree covered, much more green. It's really beautiful to look at. And this secret lagoon area is incredible. It'd be unreal what nature could form. We are kind of winging it and trying to beat the crowds, but the crowds keep finding us. There's a lot of local tourists here, which is kind of cool to actually see them again and enjoying El Nido just like they enjoyed Bohol.
Mark, where did you bring us? It's like Survivor here.
No, we're going to the lagoon. We will find the secret. So later, the secret lagoon is not secret anymore.
Oh no. Please don't fall today.
Step your right foot here.
Okay.
Right foot here, and then sit down. You sit your butt here, and then always bow your head, and then easy. Swing your legs. First your left, then right.
Let's see if I can do it.
Definitely gonna hit my head.
No, be careful with your careful. Continue.
So now feel the water.
Wow. It's warm. It's very warm.
They said ahead of crocodile.
Crocodile, yeah.
So it seems like the real secret at the secret lagoon is to wait for everybody to come out, because now we have it completely to ourselves when there were like dozens of people in here before. So thanks to Mark for making us wait it out. Now we're all alone in here.
This is just so beautiful. Philippines have such incredible, unique nature. We're so happy to be here. All right, Mark, let's go. Mama is hungry.
Okay, let's go now.
I did it. Thank you.
We're done with Secret Lagoon. We know the secret, and now back to the boat. Hopefully some lunch, because I'm starving.
Bye. I got my coconut. So happy. I can't believe how much food they brought for us. This is just for Steve and I, and we have a huge plate of fruits, cucumber salad, we have shrimps, we have a whole fish, and we have all these mussels, and some pork, and an eggplant salad, and of course rice. How much time do we have to eat this all?
It's up to you, ma'am. Eat up for 1 hour, no problem.
Okay, awesome. Thank
It might
you so
take
much.
us a little bit longer than that to eat everything.
Let's dig in.
No way I'm gonna be able to eat all this, but I'm gonna try.
I'm here to help you.
Is gonna make her own Filipino style stuffed mussels now.
Yeah, a little bit of mussel,
And a little bit of Filipino style rice.
a little bit of rice.
Close enough?
Pretty close. Chef, our food is so good. Thank you so much.
All right, I'm gonna put this camera down now and enjoy this feast.
As you can see, we finished everything.
Not everything.
Well, yeah, we're gonna eat it later. I love my roast.
Keep it.
I don't want to eat it. It looks so perfect.
So this place we call it Advin's snorkeling area. So we are here for snorkeling. I go to swim also
Okay,
because I don't know how to swim.
you don't know how to swim?
Yes.
It's a
No, I'm joking.
bad profession to be in if you don't know how to swim.
Mike already jumped in. He's swimming like a fish. All right, let's go and swim.
Okay, Mami Sir, so now welcome to our last destination. So this place is Papaya Beach, part of Seven Commando. So we call it Papaya because before they have plenty papaya tree here. So but now, no more papaya, more on coconut, but still Papaya Beach. Okay?
The reason we came to this side of the beach though is because Seven Commando is the more popular one and therefore attracts much larger crowds. Right now there's a ton of boats over there, unfortunately, whereas over here there's only about 5 or 6. So much more relaxing on this side, and it's super peaceful, super white sand, incredible. If you're on a private boat, you could kind of change things around. That's why we're here last. Most boats go to Seven Commando first, and you're kind of stuck going to Seven Commando with the big crowd.
Steve is flying the drone right now, and after that we're gonna dip into the water. It is so hot right now. We can't wait to swim. So just gonna cut off here. Hope you enjoy this beautiful, beautiful drone shots that he's filming. Steve! How is the water?
It's colder than before.
Yeah?
Hey, so it's definitely like colder but clear. Super clear. I honestly can't believe this is real. It legitimately looks like a postcard in actual real life. It's incredible. All right, that's it for the day.
We are done for our tour for today. So again, welcome in El Nido and thank you very much.
Just like that.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
All right, so we're done with our boat tour for today. They were amazing to us, but this is going to be the end of our time here in El Nido. We're gonna take a tricycle back over and catch our one last final sunset before we head on over to our next destination in the Philippines. We cannot wait for that. This has been incredible, and the next place is gonna be, we hope, even better. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you next time over our next spot in the Philippines.
This is our first street food in Philippines. Yes. So this is very, very unique.
Holy crap, Greg, your stick is really crooked. My bad.
Oh, she said.
Feeding my man with my own hands. This?
Sapin, sapin.
Sapin, sapin.
Sapin, sapin.
Isa, isa, isa. Sapin, sapin. Salamat. Okay, now.